In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly install a woven valley for your shingle roof. Now I gotta start with this. Personally, I hate woven valleys. I think they just look ugly and messy. However, they are an improved way of waterproofing your valley. They do a good job waterproofing. In my opinion, it just looks ugly. I still want to show you how to properly do it and how the finished product does look. Now for our woven valley, we already have our starter shingle installed, which you want to make sure you have in place. We're pretty much going to start weaving these shingles in. So we're going to install our first piece right here. And don't mind the used shingles, this is just for a tutorial. One thing you want to make sure is you're going past your valley center line a minimum of 12 inches on your backhand. So right here is what you want to see. We've got 12 inches right here. Staggered. And now what I would prefer actually to do is, prior to installing this piece right here, I want to install this just so we pass this corner right here, which is our vulnerable area. So we're actually going to install this right here. Now remember, you want to come past your valley center line. So if this is your valley center line, we're coming 12 inches past that. We want to make sure we're not nailing it in the valley zone, so I usually like to leave 8 to 10 inches from the valley center line with no nails. All right, now we're going to install this shingle right here. Again, valley center line, 12 inches past the valley center line, and we're ready to install. Pretty simple, again, just making sure we don't nail it right in the valley, because this is where the primary water is going to flow. Now, as we're laying our shingles, the easy way to keep this 12-inch overlap, as well as make your job easier moving forward, is to leave this staggered pattern right here. So that way, when we're continuing the roof, we've got our 5.5 inches here, and that makes it easy for us installing the valley. So that's pretty much it. You just continue the same pattern all the way up your roof. Now, pretty much at this point right here, when you're close to about 12 to 16 inches from your valley center line all the way to this edge of the shingle, you want to restart with a full length and pretty much restart this pattern coming all the way up. As I mentioned before, this is our least favorite type of valley installation. I think it looks ugly and messy, and we rarely use it on our roofs. However, it is an approved method by Owens Corning and other shingle manufacturers. So I figured I'll show you anyways and show you why I don't like it. Guys, thanks for watching. We've got a lot of other videos on shingle roof installation. If we're missing something, let us know. We'd love to show you how to properly do the things that you want to do. Like, subscribe, and again, if you have any questions, let us know below.